Today, let's walk through the practical operation of a load switchgear. Here, we have connected a temporary 220V socket power supply. Let's take a look at the control panel. The trip indicator light is currently illuminated in green, indicating that the load switch is in the disconnected position. This is the local position, which we can control manually. Take a look at this panel. If the trip switch is in the trip position, we can close the load switch. Now, let me operate it. Turning it to the right signifies close. It stays in the storage position, storing energy. When the energy is released, the load switch indicator light turns on, and the close indicator light illuminates, indicating that the switch is ready. However, in this situation, the trip switch cannot be operated. Let's give it a try. This position is very crucial. It's called "I'm not sure what it means" yet. We lift the positioning pin because the load switch is already in the closed position, preventing it from being turned here. This serves as a safety measure to prevent carrying the load while isolating it. It's a locking mechanism. We separate the load switch. Alright. Now let's close the isolation switch. Currently our isolation switch is in the trip position. Let's pay attention to this high voltage fuse. This position is the trip position. And now let's close it. We lift the positioning pin below and take a look at the isolation knife inside. Moving it upwards, the positioning pin goes in again after reaching a certain position. Then we pull it out once more. Rotate it clockwise. And everyone can get a better view of this position. The positioning pin will only retract when it reaches the correct position. Now, the isolation switch is closed internally. Let's check the indicators on the outside. They also show that it's closed, just like closing a pair